Hello and welcome back. And in this video, we're going to be looking at another modifier called AllowsTightening. Okay, so AllowsTightening is a special modifier. Basically, the way it works is if you have some text. Okay, so imagine we have this text. Key creates video tutorials on iOS, Swift and Swift. This is not by mistake. Actually, I want to show you, if we have enough text. Okay. Then AllowsTightening will work best to make sure that everything is contained. If it's possible, then everything is contained within one line. So let me show you what I'm talking about. So if I say AllowsTightening, okay, now this AllowsTightening is basically gonna work with line limit. Okay, so if I say I want to have just one line of text, all right, and that one line of text is gonna I'm gonna try to display as much content as possible. Okay, so if I add SwiftUI, it's gonna be replaced with ellipses, so that's why I'm using just Swift. Okay, now look at this. I have AllowsTightening to be set as true here. Okay, notice as soon as I change it to false, what happens on the side. Okay, so what happened was basically Swift, the last Swift keyword or last word was basically fitted in to make sure that we have SwiftUI determined that I have enough space if I squished in and decrease the letter spaces between these guys to manage and display the Swift as well, right? So it actually did that and accommodated the space to fit in Swift. But as soon as we set this to false, it started showing ellipses because it says there's not enough space. I don't want to tighten it, and I want to actually let leave the space between characters to the natural space what's defined in the font system, and let me work with that. So that's what AllowsTightening does, is if we have enough words in your text that can be fitted in within one line, right, then AllowsTightening is gonna try to fit it. If not, then it's gonna let it continue, but it's gonna modify that letter space to accommodate as many words and characters as possible. All right, so that was that's the AllowsTightening. Okay, in the next video we're gonna look at one more similar one which does something slightly different whenever you apply that modifier to the text when it's actually overflowing to the given bounds.